All right, that was our vanilla instant pudding that we put into our 16 ounces of Cool Whip. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my bowl and put both the pudding mixture and our Cool Whip so we can get this nicely blended. Okay, now we can get this going. All right, once this is almost fully mixed together, we're gonna add a little bit of red food color. Just the smallest drop. This is obviously optional, so if you don't want any red dye, you can skip it, or you can use a purple or whatever you want. But we're gonna mix this in so that we can kind of get like a pink color in our vanilla Cool Whip, because this is gonna be a fun, no-bake Valentine's Day treat. So look at that beautiful pink coming through. That's exactly what we want. All right, that looks perfect. I'm gonna put that to the side and bring in my little plastic Dixie cups. And I have 6 here. So if you need more, you're just gonna have to double up the recipe, but 6 is perfect for my family. I'm gonna bring in my ice cream scoop, and we're gonna scoop our vanilla pink Cool Whip right into our Dixie cups, just like so. Look how fun these are. I love using the clear cups because then you can see that beautiful pink color. But you could also use like some mason jars if you wanted something reusable, but these are gonna be great for kids because you can just hand them out, and then when they're done with them, just throw away the cup. So let's go ahead and evenly distribute our Cool Whip into these 6 cups. All right, these are all filled up. We're gonna go ahead and come to the side, and I have my food processor here, and I am gonna pop in some golden Oreos. You can use whatever Oreo you like. I just think the golden Oreo fits the Valentine's Day theme the best. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these and throw them in our food processor. Probably gonna use about 1 sleeve of our golden Oreos. And then to make this extra tasty, I have a secret ingredient, some freeze-dried strawberries. And we're gonna add a couple of these into our golden Oreos. This is gonna add some delicious strawberry flavor to our crumbles. Go ahead and put our lid on. And then let's get this going. All right, this looks ready. Go ahead and take this off. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna take the blade out so I don't hurt myself. And then we're coming back over to our little cups. I have a spoon, and we are gonna scoop our crumbles right on top of our cups, just like so, to make kind of like a dirt cup, but Valentine's Day theme. It's gonna be so yummy. We have the vanilla pudding, the Cool Whip, the golden Oreos, freeze-dried strawberries, and then I have something extra special to make it really cute for the holiday that I'm gonna add right on top. And it's not sprinkles, you guys. I promise you I won't use sprinkles for this one, but let's get these nice and covered in that delicious crumble. All right, those are ready. Now I'm gonna bring in my Valentine cakes from Little Debbie. And these are just absolutely adorable. And they are gonna go right on top of our little dirt cups. How cute is that? The perfect finishing touch to our easy, no bake Valentine dessert. Now you could do the chocolate Little Debbie with chocolate pudding and chocolate Oreos, but personally, I love everything pink, so this was the way to go. All right, it's time to give these a try. Oh, I'm so happy with how these came out. Oh yeah, that's the perfect scoop. Oh my gosh, I could eat all 6 of these. They're so good.